my lovelies, welcome to Angela Serendpity Arts Journals. I'm Angela and I'm glad that you're here. If you're new, welcome. I hope you find something that you like and you're subscribed. If you like the videos, if you're back, I want to thank you for coming back. Don't forget to like or subscribe. It doesn't cost you anything and it helps my channel. I want to thank all my new subscribers that has subscribed to my channel. I'm very pleased and flattered that you guys decide to subscribe. I'm here today because I bought a Destash. Yes, I know I'm destashing. I know I getting rid of something, but I had a machine that was given to me last Christmas or last year, and it was the foiling machine. The issue is I have some dies and everything, but the foil is kind of expensive, and BNS Create, I will put her channel down. She's doing destashes and she has a box full. Let me show you the box. I ordered this, I think it was Thursday, and it's here. It's a medium flat rate box. It's a medium flat rate box. Here it is. And it came with other goodies, but look at all this. It came with the... Okay, so I couldn't resist because I don't have enough foil and I want to use my machine. So let's look first. I put the box in the at the card. It says Angela. Oh my God, look at this. How gorgeous is this? Look at this. Let me see if I can't zoom you a little bit. Okay, look how cute this is. This is so cute. It's a popcorn and it's three-dimensional. It has the 3D glasses. It got the stripped, the paper. Oh my God, this is adorable. I have to put it to display. It says, Dear Angela, thank you so much for helping me with my Destash. Enjoy your bundle. She was doing bundles. She's going to continue. She has a bunch of stuff also. I also, like I say, Tina Crafty Bean is also destashing things, so go and check her out. So I will put the 3 people that I have bought destashes that you can check out. So she gave me a card. And with this, it came this. It came this glimmer hot foil. And if you hear that, that is my cat that is inside my basket, trash can, trying to get the plastic out. Little card, big hello. I don't have this. And you know these are expensive. And so that one came with this hot foil plate. I'm not sure if I have this one. This is Essential Glimmer Solid Hexi-Gem. I don't have these dies. This is the Essential Hexi-Gems. And I think if you can make this and then cut it with one of these dies. She added these extra to the foil. And then there is these. This is called Work With This Die. And you can, these are, it is a stencil. that you can use, and then you have the die to cut, and it has a message. So I got those dies. So that was awesome. Just here, $20 she probably spent in the shipping, and plus just in the dies I got. I have a mixtures of Gemini foil and so I'm gonna show you. I have 21. I have this one, and this one is the Aura. I have this one that is Icicle. I'm going to show the Gemini first. I have Silver, Aurora, Disco Ball, Sparkle. These are all the silvers that I got in here. This is, I have another Aurora and Silver Spangles. It's different from this one. So I have a repeat, but that doesn't matter. Oh, and I have, well, I says I will leave the spellbinders for later. Go Wise. I have Champagne, Gold Spangles, and I have in other colors. I have two reds. I have Berry, and I have Red Shimmer. All Glory Blue. And all of these has approximately, says 5 meters long. And if I can see, it has, I can't see this. I have a, it has 4.96 inches by 5.46 yard long. So it has a close to 5.5 yards. I have another red from Gemini. No, I have from Gemini, not a red. Most of them were Gemini. I have turquoise. Isn't that gorgeous? Holly. Green is perfect for Christmas with those reds. I have pink pearlescent. And cerise. It's a kind of pink. And then all the other ones that I have are from Spellbinders. This one is called Blush. Okay. And this one has 5 inches, 15 feet. I have matte gold. Another blush. I think I have this one is blush. Yeah, I have 2 blush. This one is used lightly. It's called Aura because it has the Aurora Borealis effect. Prism. And this is another Aura. So I got a total of 22 foils and plus the dies. So I'm very happy. Thank you, VNS, for sending it so quick. It's just got here. So I'm going to put her link. I think she sold out really quick. I was lucky to be able to get this lot because it's something I've been looking at, and I don't have a lot of foil for my machine and I want to use it. So thank you very much for watching, and like I say, thank you for giving me a little bit of your time. Stay tuned. I'm doing a collaboration with Ivy. It's a stationery washi tape and ephemera, and I will be doing a video using the supplies. So thank you. Have a wonderful rest of the day. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed. Give me thumbs up. If you have any question, please leave it in the description on the comment below, and I'm gladly will answer it for you. Happy crafting, and I'll see you soon in another video.